Hey, Leo Johnson here from MarineMax Lake Norman. Today you join me in front of a brand new piece of inventory. This is our first 2026 Sea Ray SLX 260, one of Sea Ray's best sellers, a great performer, and a stunning looker as well. This particular boat is in the Horizon hull side with the Sea Ray blue stripe. We've equipped it with the tower up top, and it's got the dune interior. Got plenty more great options inside. Let's climb aboard and check it out. Welcome aboard this SLX 260. Like I mentioned, outside this boat has the dune interior color. We've got a couple great notable features here on the swim platform. The first being the submersible swim step here, pops down. We've also, of course, got the sea deck flooring back here. This boat has the full water system. You've got access right here to your transom shower. Coming forward, your rear passengers have controls for the stereo right here on a Fusion Audio head unit, as well as USB and USB-C chargers. Plenty of cup holders throughout here as well. Last but not least, back here on the swim platform, you've got a nice dedicated cooler up under the backside of your seat. Walking inside the boat, we've got lots of storage throughout under the walkway here and under the back corner on the sun pad. This boat is equipped with the optional flip-up step here. Pops up nice and easily, get you on and off of those tall docks. It's also got the block-off door, keep those pets and kids inside the boat when you're underway. Coming in further, this boat also has the interior sea deck. It's a great option, very soft on your feet. The tables are not pictured, but we have those on this boat as well. Great layout here for entertaining, tons of storage up underneath these seats on either side. Dedicated cooler storage over here. You see we've got the accent lighting on right now. There's also a Sea Ray logo that projects down here on the floor at nighttime. Over at the helm chair, this is a great place to be on this boat. We've got two Simrad NSX series screens, great controls for your Fusion Audio, and some manual buttons here for your key components. This boat's also equipped with trim tabs, which can be actuated right here. Your driver's gonna have a wireless phone charger down below that Mercury Digital Throttle Shift. Plenty of cup holders and chargers throughout as well. Over on the passenger side, you see we've got the chairs swiveled right now. Both chairs do swivel inward for a more entertaining setup. Got a flip-up bolster here to mirror your captain's chair, as well as some cup holders behind. This boat's got a glove box in your head door, and this particular boat is equipped with the optional VacuFlush head, which you see down here. We've got a sink in there as well and some great storage. Under my feet, this boat has the center ski locker, which is one of our favorite options on this. We've got the cover in here right now, but there's a ton of space in there for dock lines, fenders, and things like that. This boat's gonna have the full windshield here that opens and closes, as well as a block-off door, so you can really customize that experience. Some more storage here under your helm with a dedicated trash receptacle. Up at the bow, we're gonna have more in-floor storage and great seating both port and starboard. We've got flip-down armrests for your passengers here, USB and USB-C chargers, and tons of cup holders as well. The last thing up here at the bow, this boat is equipped with the optional windlass anchor. It's actuated from the helm, or can also be actuated up here with the remote. Really easy, simple setup, and a great option on this boat. This boat is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you like what you saw, give us a call, check us out at marinemax.com, or stop by, we'd be happy to help.